Okay guys, welcome to Koh Samui. This is Lamai Beach, and as you can see, it's not so nice on this day, but maybe a good day for a photo shoot. As you can see, the wind is just insane. This is in November of 2024, which is the rainy season in this area, and it was a week of storms when I was there. Still a very, very beautiful beach, but this is what it should look like. This is what it looks like most of the year. Still a pretty nice place, even with bad weather, I have to say. But I was expecting better. Beautiful sand though, yeah? On a nice sunny day with the green-blue water, this would be an amazing place to spend a few hours, that's for sure. The view is not so bad right now though. Beautiful long beach. I didn't walk very far. I walked just a ways down here and came back. Not a lot on here for stuff for sale or businesses along the beach, it didn't seem. As you can see, everything is packed away. Not a lot of customers on this day, that's for sure. I hung out here for a little bit and then moved along. Rather disappointing in my opinion. But still a beautiful beach and well worth the visit if you're there in the right season. The monsoon season is not the right season.
Thank you.
Okay guys, that's it. As always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. The waves were coming right in over here. I still got my feet wet sitting here on the second roll. Not that that was a big deal, but those are some pretty good waves, that's for sure.